Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we are going to be doing a gel polish design using these gorgeous shimmery Madam Glam gel polishes. So these are the 4 shimmery gel polishes out of Madam Glam's June collection, which is called Neon Unity. Beautiful collection, guys. I'd actually probably say it's one of my favourite collections to date. It's got really beautiful shades in it. I did put out a swatch video on that collection a couple of weeks ago, so if anyone wants to check out the rest of the colours in that collection, you can do. These are the 4 shimmery ones in that collection, and oh my days, guys, they are so bright. They're beautiful. And I was saying in my swatch video, when you're applying them, they apply like alcohol ink. They're quite watery, but they're so pigmented, guys. They're really, really nice to use. These are all 1 coaters as well. They didn't need 2 coats. So today, what we're going to do is, we're going to use all 4 shimmery colours out of that collection. This is the last one being Shine On. So once I finish painting this one, I'm going to give them all a cure for 60 seconds. And today, we're going to be doing the butterfly wing nails, what are trending all over at the moment. And I thought these would be great for doing that. So we're going to use Madam Glam's black gel paint and the striping brush. Really like this brush, it's really nice to use. And we're now going to paint the black lines on the butterfly wing. So there's no right or wrong way of doing this. They don't all want to be the same, but I have done them similar, but not exactly the same, because no butterfly wing is the same. Some lines are a little bit thicker than others. And I'm just painting the black lines of a butterfly wing. Now, for anyone that does want to recreate these, try and use a nice pigmented black. You don't want to be having to go over the lines twice, because that's just going to take so much time up. So try and find a nice opaque black where you only have to go over it once. Now, once you've done the black lines, it still doesn't quite look right, but go with it, guys. Go with the flow and trust the process. Because I was looking at mine thinking, oh my days, these look rubbish. But once you put the white dots on, it all comes together. And I promise you will be so surprised what a difference some white dots can make. So that's that one done. I'm now going to do the other 3. And I'm going to pop a little bit of music on and speed the other 3 up. And then we'll come back in when it's time to do the white dots.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She's luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just being your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Better if I save the songs for you when you feel down and bitter. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just being your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
So that's all the black lines painted. I'm going to give that a cure for 60 seconds. So now we've pulled out Madam Glam's white gel paint. Again, a really nice, bright, opaque white. Pulled out Madam Glam's dotting tool as well. And we're just going to do some white dots. Again, it doesn't matter where you put them. It doesn't matter how many you do. Just whatever looks right. And then give them a cure for 60 seconds. So that is what they look like with the artwork all finished. Now they need to be all sealed in with some top coat. So we're going to use Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. This top coat is really nice. It stays glossy for ages. It's anti-yellowing. It's a really, really nice, highly glossy top coat. So we're going to give all 4 tips a coat of top coat, and then we'll come back and take a look at them all finished. And that is what they look like all done. What do you think? I really, really like them. Like I said, when I saw just the black lines without the white dots, I thought, oh, these don't look good. They don't look like butterfly wings at all. But the minute I put the white dots on, I was really, really happy with them. I think these shimmery gels are perfect for these butterfly wing nails. So like I said, guys, these gel polishes are out of Madam Glam's June collection called Neon Unity. I'm going to leave all the names to the products that I've used today in my description box below. If there's anything that you've seen me use today that you're interested in buying, I have got a massive 35% off discount code for the Madam Glam website. So if you do decide to place yourself an order, don't forget to pop that in at checkout. I will leave that pinned in my comments along with the Madam Glam website link. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.